It's day 6. You know, it's day 6 of the Get Your Sweat Challenge. Today we gonna hike to that little spot up there. Y'all see me with the Hollywood song? We're gonna get up there. You know, we at the starting point right now. It's gonna take us probably about an hour and a half to get up there. Not nothing too crazy. You know, we're not about to run up there. The views is crazy. People out here at the park. So yeah, this is where we at with it. This is where we at. Oh yeah, by the way, if you ever want to come over here, this is the park we at. Got the drone out here. I hope this is a fun video for y'all to see. If not, then I will. Hey, this house is so hard, y'all. I'm moving in here in a couple years, y'all. Mark my words. We'll be there in a couple years. Almost there. These views, though.
Wait till you get up a little higher.
I know, right? So yeah, I just said the views is crazy, and then he said, like, wait till you get even higher. The views even better. No way, man. How you feeling so far? You tired?
Not at all.
We almost there, y'all. We almost there. Shit, she said she ain't tired. I'm tired. It's the perfect weather though. I ain't gonna lie. This weather is awesome. Like, it's not too hot, it's not too cold. Saw a squirrel. I swear I thought that was a rat, a coyote, a mountain lion, a gorilla. I thought it was something. The last thing I was thinking it was a squirrel. So I'm gonna try to get to the tunes and enjoy these views. Peace out. Almost there. Hollywood sign, I see you, man. I see you. Quit hiding. My house getting built. It'll be ready in about a year. So come through. 8600 Hollywood. We are pretty close. I ain't never seen dead palm trees. We through here though. We through here. What up, Smokey? What's poppin', Smokey? My boy Smokey out here. He protecting the Hollywood sign. Protecting that joint. My house that way. The real ones know where I'm at right now. I know where I'm at. That's one of my favorite movies of all time. Mulholland Drive. Man, that movie is crazy. It's right up here. That's crazy. I think that accident, my bad, I ain't gonna tell the story, but that took place up here. Right up here. So, fun fact. I can down there touch that joint. Hey, focus, camera. Dead end. But we going anyways, man. We going anyways. Chances make champions. Hey, y'all. Hey, I think it's time to go. Do y'all see that? Wildlife habitat. Dangerous animals may be present, including mountain lions and rattlesnakes. Oh yeah, we out. I seen what I needed to see. We made it, y'all. I appreciate y'all watching this video, but mission accomplished. We got a good sweat in, and we also, we hiked to the Hollywood sign. So I appreciate y'all watching me, man. But after seeing that sign, man, I think it's time for me to bounce. I ain't trying to encounter no mountain lions or rattlesnakes. So we out.